Hello friends and welcome to my channel Inside Knowledge Foundation. In this video, I will discuss about literals in Python programming language. But before we begin, I would like to tell you that this video is brought to you by Data Shakti Lab. In this video, I will explain what is Python literals and its different types that we will come across while coding. So, before we dive in, I would like you to think something. For that, I need a highlighter pen. So, let me take this first. Alright. Yes. Now, here, understand this. In a program, when we assign an input or a value, we usually write like this: A equals to 10, or A equals to true or false, or A equals to, let's suppose, hello. Okay. So, can you tell me what are these input values called? Yes, you all are correct. In Python, it is nothing but we called it as literals. Literals are very fundamental concept in Python programming. It is the constant values that is stored in a variable in a program. So from here, from this example, we can see that here a in a equals to 10, the value 10 is called literals, which is stored inside a variable named a. Secondly, variables store different types of literals that do not change during program execution. What does it mean? It means that they are fixed values. Now, let's learn different types of literals present in Python programming. So, Python supports different types of literals. The first type is numeric literals. It includes integer, floats, complex number. We can better understand it by an example. So, let's see an example. In example 1, we can see that a variable a store different types of numeric values. It can be an integer, float, or a complex number, or it may be a binary, octal, or hexadecimal number. The next type is Boolean literals. It represents the logical values such as true and false. In example 2, we can see that the variable b contains a value that is true or false. These are the logical values or the Boolean values. The third type is string literals. It represents the text enclosed in quotes. So, in example third, we can see that the text data are enclosed within a single quotes or a double quotes that are stored in a variable C. We can also store a paragraph in a variable C by using a single quotes triple times a single quotes or a triple times a double quotes. So from all these we can conclude that literals are like the raw building blocks we use when we assign values to variables in Python program. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked the information about literals in Python. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next one.